You know what time it is. It's haul time. Okay, that was cheesy. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this week's haul. I have some home decor items, but I have some items that I'm just like, it's the luckiest day of my life. They're not home decor items, but I was just felt so blessed to find them. So I can't wait to share them with you. So let's get into it. And if you haven't already, I'm trying to figure out whether people like Thrift with Me's plus the hauls, or they just like the hauls. Because the Thrift with Me's, I have trouble with them. I'm gonna tell you. I get excited when I'm in there and I don't have the camera, or I forgot to put the SD card in my camera, so now I can't use it when I'm thrifting. And you know, I'm trying to look at things and hold this camera at the same time. It's really difficult. So do you guys actually even enjoy that? Is that important to you? So let me know. Okay. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and let's get into this haul so I can get to the most exciting part. Was this cutting board. Very simple, but look at the handle, guys. I really, really, really love that handle. I think it's just, it was so unique. It's not that big, but it's just big enough to sit on my open shelving in my kitchen. So I thought it was perfect. Another item which I'm already using, as you can see, is, oh gosh, what are these things called again? Decanter. So I thrifted a decanter a couple hauls ago, and I found another one that I really liked. I really like the shape of this swan. I don't even know what's in it right now, but it's clearly not much left. But I can't remember what's actually in it. But I really, really like this decanter. It's really, really cute. So I think I have enough decanters now. I need to stop. But this decanter was, I believe this was $2.99. I thrifted, but it is brand new. As you can see, there's still a price tag on it from the original store. I paid $2.99 for it. And I can't tell what store this is from. Like, it kind of looks like a Marshall's tag to me. I'm not sure. But it was brand new. It's an Umbra frame. But I like the way that the frame kind of sits on this pedestal and it's circular with the black trim on it. Like, to me, that's very unique. I'm not sure exactly where it should go, though. It's kind of an unusual shape, and I'm not sure where to put it or even what to put in it. But I do like it, though. So it was originally $9.99, whatever store it came from. It looks like a Marshall's tag to me, and I paid $3.99 for it. I picked up 2 of these floor lamps. These floor lamps look so mid-century to me. And they kind of remind me of like the space race, like from the, I guess, 50s and 60s. You know, that kind of shape that it has. It kind of looks space agey. And it has this kind of gold bronzy bottom. It's definitely not a vintage item or anything, but it does look kind of vintagey. I just really liked it. I thought it was very, very unique, and there was 2 of them, and so I grabbed them up. I believe I paid $7.99 for each of them. So my last home decor item is this flower pedestal. Now, I really, really like the shape of this. This also reminds me of like a mid-century shape. Let me move my hands out of the way so you can see. I think that this is gorgeous. It's some kind of metal, probably aluminum, painted black. And you can see there's a flat base for your flower pot to sit. It's just finding the right plant to sit in here, because not every plant is going to look right in here. But I think the shape is just gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of like a bodice. It's really kind of sexy, actually. But at the same time, very sleek and minimal because of the opening between the slits. you can see right through it. So it kind of, although it takes up space because of the shape, it doesn't take up space because your eyes can see right through it. And I really, really like that. And what did I say the price that I paid for that? I don't remember. It was under $10. I know that. All right. So here's the exciting part that's not a home decor item, but I am pumped, juiced. I can't wait. Do you guys see that? I have 2 of these. These are vintage Michael Jackson dolls from the 80s. Anybody who knows me knows that Michael Jackson was like the soundtrack of my childhood. I scheduled my childhood around the release of Michael Jackson's albums, which only came out every 4 years. This is the Thriller doll. Okay. And these boxes are kind of tearing apart, but I'm going to keep it in the box anyway. Look at that. Vintage, authentic Thriller Michael Jackson dolls. Now, I don't think that these are worth a lot. I think I did look them up on eBay. They're not worth that much, really. But they're worth a lot to me. So actually, I might get on eBay and get me like the full set of them. But this one is already coming out of here. Let me just see if I can take it out. Yeah. Take it out and give you a closer look of Mr. Jackson with his sunglasses. And I think this is the outfit that he wore when he met Ronald Reagan. He was at the White House or something, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. I am so juiced about and pumped about this. Oh my gosh. I cannot tell you. I cannot tell you. I know there's a lot of controversy about Mr. Jackson, but no matter what you think, you cannot deny that he is legendary, that he is the best entertainer to ever walk the face of this earth. I'm sorry. Not Elvis, not even James Brown, Michael Jackson. Sorry. So now I have one more item that was in the toy department. This is why I hit up the toy department, because you just never know. Check this out. You know what this box is? These are vintage Michael Jackson cards. They're like baseball cards. And they have I think bubble gum in them or something like that. Unopened. How many packs were in here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Probably about 40 packs. Okay? And in the 80s, when they came out, they sold for 35 cents a pack. And I believe there's like 4 or 5 cards in each one. Oh my gosh. I am like so over the moon excited. These also I don't think are worth that much because they're fairly easy to get, but I'm just so happy. When did this come out? This was manufactured by OPC Company in London, Ontario, with Tops Chewing Gum in Brooklyn, New York. I wish I could find a date on them. I know it's in the 80s, that they were released in the 80s. They have MJJ Productions on them, on the box. And this might have said the date that's currently, there's a little piece missing there, which may have had the date on them. But I am so excited about this. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy somebody gave away their whoever gave away their Michael Jackson collection. Thank you. Thank you. 2021 is starting off to be a great year. Thank you. I am so juiced. Well, this is something about 1984. I think they came out in 84. But it's a whole box, undisturbed box, full of Michael Jackson cards. So exciting. So anyway, if you enjoyed this haul, please make sure you subscribe and let me know what your favorite item was. Like, would you have bought those Michael Jackson items if you saw them? Let me know if I'm just being like a big old child with that. But to me, it was just like so exciting. So thank you, and I will see you soon. Bye.